So this, I usually put a Band-Aid on the computer cameras, but since this is for a Mac Air, a Band-Aid really doesn't let it, I mean, it takes the look away. I don't care, but you know, it just doesn't look nice. See, putting a Band-Aid on a Chromebook is fine. See, that's what I have on that. So, you know, you're gonna want to make it look halfway decent. So that's why I have it. I purchased this. So I'm putting it on this 11-inch Mac Air. Let's see how, see, that's the way it looks now. And let's put it on. So let me just open it up. In fact, I don't even need scissors. I should just be able to pull this. Let's see, slides. Open and close. Real nice. Very plasticky. Not metal at all. Yeah, it's all like a thin plastic. And that's the, let me pull this out. So it should go like this. That'll be perfect. And you can slide it closed. Perfect. Okay. Let me. Take out the sticker. Okay, that's one. That's two. Okay. Sticky, double-sided tape, it looks like. That's perfect. Perfect. Slide it closed. Open. Beautiful. That is much nicer looking than a piece of tape, right? I think so. Okay, now let me see if it closes. Yep, it closes perfectly. No kind of gap. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye.